Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to work in my social media planner. This is a B6 size traveler's notebook. The cover is from Mystic's Little Gifts, or MLG & Co. And I do have a code, Rachelle15, that will save you 15% off your order. All the information is in the description box below. I did put on this charm from Isis Ella Jewels, and these are the charms that I've had on here for a while. This is an ollie clip, and this pen is a tool pen from Office Depot. The notebook that I'm using is a dot grid notebook from the Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook sets, and I just trimmed it down to size. The Walmart Traveler's Notebook sets they hold B6 inserts, but their inserts are a little wider, so I trimmed it down to fit in this planner. And this is where I am. I have not really been feeling social media. I never figured out what to do with this page. Maybe something will come to me, or I'll get some graphic that I really like that I want to add to it. But as of now, there's nothing. But this is what I've done. And yeah, I didn't put up a video every day. I just didn't. So I have determined that I don't need all this space right now. So what I'm going to do, instead of using up all these pages, that half of the page or the whole page is blank, just decorated and blank, what I'm going to do is switch to just doing a spread, not day specific, but I will have my list, the Monday through Sunday list, so that I can kind of organize my week if I need to, and then the rest I can just write down notes of information that I need, and if I need more room I can just turn the page and go to another page. So I'm just going to do a 2-page kind of spread instead of, oh, I don't need that, instead of trying to do the whole thing. So, or the whole week. We're gonna do a week on 2 pages. Yeah, because that's a lot of wasted space. And I do have pages, like I accidentally skipped pages last week that I didn't mean to. So what may happen is I may go back and just use those pages, because I am running out of space in this notebook. And then I could also use the pages at the beginning. I'll just have to make sure that I date everything properly, because it's going to be out of order. So, but for now, we're just going to continue on to the next page. And if you can see, it's starting to get quite bulky on this side. So I didn't pick out any washi tape. I didn't pick out anything. Okay, so I pulled out these stickers from Isis Ella Jewels. So I'm thinking I'll use these 3, and I also pulled out this washi from Simply Gilded and Cookie Sticker Co. And I'm just gonna see what I can come up with. I've never actually, I don't think I've just done a page that was basically free form, in that it wasn't structured with a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday type setup. So we'll see how this goes. So then I'm going to take and kind of do what I normally do with these this week stickers from Crafting by the Pound. I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of my Crafting by the Pound stickers, because I don't think these are even available anymore. So, and I do have some shadowing from the other page, but I'm going to do my best to ignore it and keep it moving. So, and then I'm going to use her right here. And then, of course, I'm going to use her over here. And you know, I kind of want the actual doll to butt up against the washi tape, so I'm going to trim the white off. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, that looks better. And then I'm going to put her here. I was going to put her there, but I think, yeah, I'm going to leave her there. Okay. Just find my Monday through Sunday stickers. I'm going to use another black one this week. Then I'm gonna come across here. I probably should move this over a little bit. No, I'll just have to put them on this side because I do want to date the Monday through Sunday. So let's see. There we go. Okay. So since I didn't leave room over there for my dates, I'm going to use dates and holidays. I could just write them in, but I'm not. So this is going to be the 14th through the 20th. So we're all dated. That's everything I need for YouTube. I could use some social media stickers. Let's use one of these important stickers from Crafting by the Pound right here. So these are the icons that I made because I wanted to have some neutral ones. So I'm going to put that there for YouTube. And maybe that's how I can divide this up. So I could do like YouTube, Instagram, Patreon. Maybe do a little something for Facebook. Since this matches, I'm going to use one of these. These are from JD in Brooklyn. For Instagram. And then I'm going to use one for Patreon. And I'm going to see how this goes, doing it this way. Just a little experiment. I'm gonna put it over here. And I could run another piece of washi across, but I don't think I want to divide this page up. And I put that on the wrong way. This goes this way. Okay, so I think we are done. that was easy. Hopefully this gives me enough space for the week. I can focus in on what I need to do, and that should do it. So let's pop this back in. Okay, let's put this on here to try and help hold the page down. So that is it for this quick weekly setup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.